Hashtag find Zola. I'm still kidnapped. But I'm in a Bentley, so I'm not complaining. Yeah, Zapela, how?
No, but you must press the brake. So guys,
Yes.
guys, Zola said he always wanted to drive a Bentley. So I told you I'm giving him love. Whilst he's kidnapped, I'm still giving him love. So we're gonna take just one small driving with Bentley, so that it's part of love. Yeah, I'm told. Carry on, guys. Hashtag show Zola love.
Oh, by the way, South Africa, you must all go and fill up your tanks today because tomorrow petrol is going up.
That's okay.
But we're in a Bentley, so.
Guys, I've been telling him today that sometimes I see him, I see myself in him. He's such a solid rock. He always think about other people and forget about himself. It's time.
Stop this.
It's
You've been
time.
saying this.
It's time we make him our problem rather than him making all of us his problem.
Listen, I've got Bentley problems. So.
You've got Bentley problems. Come on, let's do this. So guys, he's having a ride on a Bentley.